Bro, you know how loud this shit gotta be, bro?
I'm surprised I ain't hear it roll in.
Oh, then they got the roll course right there. Car's fire.
That's so fucking weird. Siska? Yo, yeah, like, Siska, you know, bro. I was his biggest fan. Yo, she met Siska too. We hung out with him in Brooklyn.
Probably the best part of the car is this little car show right now. Oh, he got a lot of angle in that car too. What the fuck is going on? Oh, that
Right when you see like the 400 pounder.
Shit don't sound nice. That interior is nice. Regardless, it does something, right?
Yeah, that shit's literally an electric turbo.
Should have said.
on. So the car show was pretty. It was not good. It's like dead, and we got there way too early. They made us get there like at 8 o'clock. So I ended up leaving like around 12. But got a special packaging today. Let me flip this camera, show you guys. So shout out to Max Speeding Rods, the company. They make a whole bunch of stuff. So they make intercoolers, they make they make these catch cans, they make turbos. They're mainly known for engine rods, like motor rods. So they do performance rods, like upgraded performance rods, and they do like literally a whole bunch of stuff. Intercoolers, this right here, which is a catch can. They have like traction bar for CRXs. I know they have turbos, like I said. What else they have? They have like headers. There's a company. They make everything. So they reached out to me and they want to be a part of the build. So they said, what do I need? Told them I need an intercooler, catch can, the turbo setup they have. I gotta look more depth into it. I might get one of their turbos also because the turbos are pretty good. So let me show you guys. So this right here is basically just a regular Honda Civic catch can, oil catch can. So I'm definitely gonna need this for my new build because obviously the car is gonna build a lot of pressure and cylinder pressure. So you gotta vent it out through somewhere. So I got this. This is gonna replace where my battery goes. So this is gonna basically go where my battery goes, and this comes with literally every single thing you need right here. So let me open this up and show you guys everything it comes with. So basically these are a whole bunch of fittings that you need. Well, not that you need, well, if you need them. So this is got 490s. You got these are the regular ones. These are the ones that go on on the end of the hose, and then it goes in here. So, but yeah, so it comes with a whole bunch of fittings. It comes with like extra fittings. These are very important. If you guys don't know, these are the ones that go on the back of the block when you're doing the catch can. So basically this goes, let me see if I can take this out with one hand. Okay, I'm gonna put that back. So yeah, basically this right here screws into the back of the block. The block in the back has like some basically like some bolts that go into the block. You take those out and you put these on. So what that does is it releases the crankcase ventilation from the back. It comes out through here, through the line, into the catch can. So these are very, very important. And this one right here replaces your stock catch can that's in the back of the motor on VTEC motors. This replaces the catch can that's in the back of it. So you just take off the stock catch can, and then you just put this and you plug it in. And then basically they just bring like extra ones. Like you see, you got 490s, and then basically my setup is probably gonna be 490s because I'm gonna get 290s from the block. Basically like this. It's gonna go from the block up. It's gonna go straight into here. Yeah, baby. So yeah, so this is gonna go on the block, and it's gonna be a 90 with the hose going up into here, and then I'm gonna do 290s from the front of the valve cover. It's gonna go. The hose is gonna go around, and it's gonna go into two other ones. So yeah, and they bring like I said, they bring extra ones, like some straight ones or whatever. So I think you can get this for $135 if I'm not mistaken. But if you use code Ocasio at checkout, you get save 8% off. I'm gonna put the link and everything to the description of this down below in the description box. But yeah, so they're gonna be sending me an intercooler next. They're just waiting for it to get in stock because their stuff goes fast. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting on the intercooler. But yeah, basically this thing is beautiful, and it comes already painted, so you don't gotta worry about it rusting, anything. It already comes with a little battery tie down. You just gotta get the rods and stuff for it. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Another piece to the build, guys. Anyways, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys been killing it with the previous video, so I appreciate the love and the support, guys. A lot of you guys are not subscribed. I don't know why. Just hit the subscribe button. It literally takes 3 seconds. But yeah, guys, so like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy. Peace out. I think after this video, we're gonna have my boy's Tubes car that I got also tuned. He put a new motor in it, and yeah, so look out for that video next.